It's winter time here in the Treasure Valley. So we have a joke at the office. So when my knuckles and hands start to crack and get dry, I know I'm going to be a hand model someday. I just haven't realized it yet. We know we're going to get a phone call from a past customer. And so what's going on is in the wintertime, wood will expand and contract throughout the year. And what we do is we turn on our heaters, and that sucks all the humidity and moisture out of our homes, and that causes your wood floors to shrink a little bit. And so you can see in the sample how there's a little bit of gapping here. That's because here at our showroom, we don't have the recommended 35 to 55% humidity right now because it's wintertime and we have our heater on. So the point of this video is don't panic if you see a little bit of this, especially in January, February, December, that time frame. And a good gauge is if your hands or your lips start to crack, you might want to check and see the humidity level in your house. We do have humidify readers, humidity readers, that's the word. It's fun when you do these videos live because you have fun typos like that, but we just try to keep it real here. So if you have any questions about it, we could get you one of those. But you want your humidity from 35 to 55%. If you see shrinking, it's not good for your home in general. So run a humidifier, blow some water, do the things necessary to make that. But if you wait until the springtime and give it time, it'll take care of itself. It'll expand back. So if you have any questions about hardwood or any type of flooring, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you. Thanks.